आजी आनीक मनसुरात फॅमिलीची लागशिल्ल्यान एक संभव आहलो. दोन फावटी ते आमचे आमदार आशिल्ले काँग्रेस पक्षाचे, हांव अध्यक्ष आशिल्लो. म्हाका याद आहा, शी वॉज ऑलवेज very disciplined, very respectful, very beautiful, and always been in the time, cooperating with the colleagues. Her behavior was exceptionally good, and she has always been concerned about everybody. And as far as the constituency goes, she has worked at the panchayat level, at the Zila level, at the MLA level, at the ministerial level. And this is a great loss for me personally and for my family, because we had a close relationship. But it's a great loss for our state.